Hello everyone, you are in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video, I want to show you how you can utilize your spools from PLA or ABS filament. So you can see those hangers, they were made out of those spools, and also we have here support for flowers. Okay, we have a hanger and we're going to outline it. And now we can make some drawings, some parts that we will cut, and we do cardboard for a template. So we need copy paper. Okay, now we need to cut it. So it's ready. And now we need to outline it. So we have different fabrics here. So different colors, you can use all colors. Now we're going to glue the cardboard and fabric. Okay, we'll do all templates. So we take different color. And let's wait. So diameter is 200 millimeters. It's a little bit bigger than the size of our machine. So that's why we'll do only half. So we'll do symmetric. So internal diameter is 78 millimeters. And here is 58 millimeters. We are going to use CNC 3018 with 10 watt plus laser. So the speed is 500 millimeters a minute, one pass and full power. Do not forget to wear goggles all the time you operate the laser. It's very important. And also you just need to add a foam extractor or do it somewhere where you have good ventilation. So first part is ready, half part actually. So we'll do the same with the rest. Now we need glue. So any glue is good that can glue plastics and cardboard. So now we outline the spool again. So now we need to put all images together. So on each piece of paper. So you can use different templates. So all images are ready. And we'll use our laser for that, and then we need to generate G-code, but it'll be a little bit later. So make sure that all lines are well connected, because when you do scanning and converting the G-code, it might not cut well. So make sure that there are no spaces. So this is calico. The thickness is 0.3 millimeters. We use 100% power, one pass, and speed is 700 millimeters per minute. You can see how it looks through goggles, so it shouldn't take long. And now we are removing all laser cut pieces. So here is satin. Thickness is 0.2 millimeters and speed is 900 millimeters per minute. Also one pass and full power. discipline, 0.2 millimeter thickness. The speed is much higher, it's 1350 millimeters per minute, also one pass and maximum power. So all pieces are ready. Now you can see each of it. And the good thing that all parts, all items were cut perfectly and they were a little bit melted. So when you cut with your razors, you don't have such accurate edges. So I'll show you how you may use those parts as well. So we need to put some markers. We need to add another line. And according to our drawing, we need to point them to draw again. We're also using glue, so we're gluing it once again. Yeah, we're going to cover it with varnish acrylic so it has no smell. So, and we'll need to wait something like 30 minutes. So you can do it like with 3, 4, maybe 5 layers. So here's what you got at the end: support for flowers, hangers, so you can do it yourself. So hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends. If you have any questions, let us know. And visit our website endurancelasers.com and endurance-lasers.com and have a wonderful make experience with us. Bye bye.